Hello my dear future doctor. Today we are going to learn a very important topic, the vitamins. A very sure NEET expected question is about the vitamin. Let's learn about vitamins, their scientific names and deficiency disease with all the tips and tricks for you to remember within just 5 minutes for an everlasting memory. So what are the vitamins? Vitamins are a group of biomolecules needed for the function of normal metabolic process and for the growth and health of human beings and animals. These vitamins, it can be broadly classified into two. That is, one, the fat-soluble vitamins, and the second one, the water-soluble vitamins. So let's learn quickly what are fat-soluble vitamins. The vitamins that are oily and that which is not readily soluble in water but soluble in fat are called as fat-soluble vitamins. There are 4 fat-soluble vitamins that we have to study. The first one, vitamin A, is otherwise called as retinol or the bright eye vitamin. I repeat, vitamin A, retinol or the bright eye vitamin. Second one is vitamin D, which is known as ergocalciferol, or it has 2 good names, anti-rickettic vitamin or the sunshine vitamin. What is it? Anti-rickettic vitamin or the sunshine vitamin. Now vitamin E, they are the tocopherols. Vitamin E, they are the tocopherols. Vitamin K, otherwise called as phylloquinone, and that is commonly called as anti-hemorrhagic vitamin. So anti-hemorrhagic vitamin, vitamin K, tocopherols, vitamin E, ergocalciferol, the sunshine vitamin or the anti-rickettic vitamin, vitamin D, and the last one, bright eye vitamin, which is vitamin A. Now let's learn what are the deficiency diseases caused by these 4 vitamins. Now let's learn about the deficiency diseases caused due to the fat-soluble vitamins. Let's remember the word like this, KEDA, K-E-D-A, KEDA. So vitamin K, deficiency disease is hemorrhage, E is sterility, D is rickettsia, and A is night blindness. Just close your eyes and just imagine a picture of a person stealing a rickshaw at night. So how can we frame the sentence? Yes, open your eyes. He steals the rickshaw at night. What is the statement? He steals the rickshaw at night. So, he hemorrhage, steals sterility, rickshaw rickettsia, and night blindness. So, KEDA is your word and he steals the rickshaw at night is your sentence. Now you have studied. So let me ask you, what is vitamin deficiency disease D? Nothing but rickettsia. E, sterility. K, hemorrhage. And A, night blindness. So now that we have learned the fat-soluble vitamins, let's learn water-soluble vitamins. What is it? Water-soluble vitamins. Water-soluble vitamins are those vitamins that are soluble in water and they are regularly excreted in urine and cannot be stored in our body. So, what are the important water-soluble vitamins? So, let's learn our names very quickly. Vitamin B1, which is otherwise called thiamine or antidiuretic vitamin. Vitamin B2, which is otherwise called as riboflavin. Vitamin B3 is otherwise called niacin. Vitamin B5, pantothenic acid. Vitamin B6, pyridoxine. Vitamin B7, biotin. Vitamin B9, folic acid. And vitamin B12, cyanocobalamin. So what are the vitamins? So let's learn once more. B1 thymine, B2 riboflavin, B3 niacin, B5 pantothenic acid, B6 pyridoxine, B7 biotin, B9 folic acid and B12 cobalamin. So how can we remember these names? Just a simple sentence. You know the great football players Ronaldo and Pele. Let's use both of them to remember these names. So the sentence comes like this. The Ronaldo and Pele played Biogestor football. Instead of Manchester, we are now going to replace Biogestor. So what is the sentence? The Ronaldo and Pele played Biogestor football. So deo, that is thymine, Ronaldo for riboflavin, and we write it as NT-niacin. Pele, we write it as PA and remember it as pantothenic acid. Played, P and D, played pyridoxine. Biogestor, biotin. Football, folic acid, and club, cobalamin. So how can we remember? The Ronaldo and Pele played Biogestor football club. So thymine, riboflavin, niacin, pantothenic acid, pyridoxine, biotin, folic acid and cobalamin. Now the all 8 B complex vitamins are in your hand. Now let's learn the deficiency disease also. In order to remember this deficiency disease, let's just remember a one single sentence. Berry cracks the floor playing with Papan. Papan and Berry were playing and their play led to a floor crack. So how do we remember the sentence? Berry cracks the floor playing with Papan. B1 deficiency disease beriberi. B2 cracks in the lips. B3 pellagra playing pellagra. B5 it is nothing but pathesia. B6 it is anemia which is microcytic. B9 again anemia that is macrocytic. So first one is small and the second one is large. So B6 microcytic anemia and B9 macrocytic anemia. That is all with the vitamins. That was all with fat-soluble vitamins and water-soluble vitamins. Be with Granthas, subscribe the channel, be a winner. Thank you.